heard that girl say she live in a place with a true life. But when I check it out, she live in a true life. Well, HIV that was a true life. Yo, singing better out to review life.
Lately I've had the strangest feeling.
Okay.
We no even reason had to fall.
That makes sense.
Yeah, the thought of losing her been hanging around my mind.
You hear that? Okay.
Far more frequently she's wearing perfume, with this ain't no special place to go.
I mean, she a check.
When I ask would she be coming back soon, she don't know. She never knows. Well, I'm a man of many wishes. All my premonitions misses what I really feel. My eyes won't let me hide, 'cause they always start to cry.
Okay. Hear this. What's the say for the girl?
'Cause this time could mean goodbye.
Okay. You're right. So remember that little girl, everything was fine. Treat her like a princess, so good and fine. Lately she starts showing me sign. This girl ever play a two-time, but it's a girl when I me no one catch her. Me fed the STD like herpes and syphilis, me not done. Make she put me life as bitch, you know what? Me back up, me girl, me quit singer.
Lately I've been staring in the mirror, very slowly picking me apart.
Sure that.
Trying to tell myself I had no reason with her heart.
Yo, them gonna play double time. Oh my God, this time.
Just the other night while she was sleeping,
Yo,
I vaguely heard she whispered Lonesome name.
and that she a do.
When I asked her of the thought she's keeping, she just said
Bird.
nothing changed.
Yo,
Well, I'm a man of many wishes. I hope my premonitions misses what I really feel. My eyes won't let me hide, 'cause they always starts to cry.
you can't stay the cry. Me don't tell her bye-bye.
And this time